people just want something different. There's nothing wrong with public schools. Like, there is a place for public schools, but there is a growing number of people who they want more influence in their kids' education. They prioritize different things over, like, you know, the academics, or they want their kids to have like a well-rounded life experience rather than just let's drill and test and make sure they're meeting this objective benchmark that is not developmentally appropriate for all children. And I do think that Ivy would have been okay going to public school. She's sweet and friendly, and you know, she catches on quick. She likes to learn. I think that she would have been okay, but it's just not, that's not what I wanted for her. I don't want her to just be okay, you know? Educational choice is important because people are all different. What works for one person or one kid is not necessarily going to work for the other or for any other kid. And we're doing a great thing by empowering families with financial options to take their money and, you know, go find something that works. But we also have to provide things that are truly different, not just a version of the same thing.